from the Canary Islands. And this is the setting sun on the west, but this is going north as the sun sets in the west. This is on the north side of the sun. And I was going to show you where it might be, how it might be affecting the weather. See if it's coming around here and being picked up on the canary, canary is right here, and you can see it. And as it goes north, right here, see where it's going north, and going around and coming back down like this. So like this. See, it's just making the loop. Here's the Canary Islands over here. And then it goes over the United States, then back over Russia over here, comes back around for the loop. See, it's making the sort of a lopsided loop. Instead of being like right over the North Pole right here, the jet stream is taking this loop here. I don't know if it's being affected by this thing or not. I'm just saying, here it is. I found a picture that I wanted to show y'all. And I got the 5:05, 5:15, 5:25, 5:35, 5:45, 55, 6:05, 6:15, 6:25. And so I looked it up to see if it could be the moon, to just, to rule that out. And this is where the moon is. On February the 10th to the 12th, the moon is looking southeast halfway up, and this is in the west, the sun setting in the west. So the moon is on the other side. It's around the same time, about an hour after sunset. It's close to the same time, but it's all the way around on the other side of the viewing area here. It would be in the southeast instead of the west. So it's not the moon. And, I was looking at that other thing the other day. And this is on the setting sun, but it's on the opposite side. See, this is on the left side of the setting sun, which makes that the south. This is west, so this is south or southwest. And so that would be the South Atlantic. And this is from how it looks. This is from the Canary Islands. It looks like this is on the north. So I don't know if it's the same thing or something else, because this is at the same time. The same time. 5:30. 17:30 is equal to 5:30. And so if this is on the north side and this is on the south side at the same time, of course this is being seen from the Azores. But anyway, it could be two things. That's what I'm getting at. And if it is, well, I don't know. I'm not sure. But anyway, I was going to point out, here's this deep black hole right here above the horizon where this thing is coming in, but from the south. But anyway, so this also, the pink and blue lines on this thing, I'm wondering if that has anything to do with all the ice, because on the weather maps it looks pink and blue. If this is causing the pink and blue ice on the like on the weather maps, maybe this is cold and it's causing the freezing temperatures. But all that, it might just be the pole shift aspect of it making it cold. And then the other thing I was going to show you was these are the after pictures after it goes by from the Canary Islands. This is how it looks, and this looks very much like a striped black object, or, you know, vacancy where it was a few minutes ago. And here's another orb-shaped cloud, or could be being partially, you know, absorbed by the sun. And it has right here where it borders the sun, you can see a arc-shaped cloud. And then this is the first one, and it's the best one. I've got two more of it going by every 10. These are every 10-minute pictures. But anyway, just look at how round this and striped this object is here. And this is the next picture. There's a black, like a hidden object in the clouds, and it looks like a vortex. This whole cloud structure here looks like it's a tornado, like a miniature tornado or something, or a disturbance, you know, tornado-shaped disturbance. And then the next one is this one. Again, here is a black and white striped object. And to me, it looks like, for all the world, like this is being swirled around in a mixer, like a V. 1715, 25, 1735, 45, 1755, 1805, 1815, 1825. The West, 1845, and I'll go back, 1835, backwards, 25, 1815, 1815. That's, let's see, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's 6:15 Mid-Atlantic Ridge time. Almost like, I don't know. This is, if this is west, this is northwest. So it's on the northwest right now.